Okay, so today we're going to look at how to set up MinGW. So first thing we're going to do, open the browser of your choice and Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, whatever your flavor is for MinGW 64. Find MinGW 64, GCC for Windows, roll to downloads, go to MinGW 64 for Windows, download the SourceForge files, then click to run the MinGW installer. Allow it access to your drives. Click Next. Just download the basic whatever the build version is. We have nothing specific here. I like to change this to just MinGW. So I'm just going to put it in the root. Next, let it install. Once it gets done installing, we'll go ahead and click Next, finish that up. We have a couple more steps before we're actually done installing. Next, we have to travel to the install location, find the bin folder, copy that, open the Windows tab, and search for environment variables. Edit environment variables. Edit the path. Add a new environment variable to path. MinGW32 bin. Okay. 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 And that should be MinGW installed. To test to see if your MinGW is correctly installed, you can open up the command prompt and type GCC tactac version, and you will see we have GCC. This is our version number from 2008 installed and ready to go.